Is one of the drones that I've owned the longest, and it is the Mavic Air 2. So, what have I enjoyed so much that I decided to keep this drone so long? It is the fact that this drone can give you 4K video quality and up to 60 frames per second. It is not too heavy. It's, a little bit more heavier than the mini drones, but this weighs 570 grams. It has the ability to shoot HDR footage. You can do raw photos. It only has normal color mode, but the HDR that I've used has been incredible. I'll show you some of the footage. And also, it has lights on the bottom, so when you're flying at night, you can see your drone, and it's a great way to track it. And this drone has held out throughout the years, and I purchased the Fly More combo, which comes in this nice bag. It comes with ND filters, and what these ND filters do is it helps, basically think of it as sunglasses for your drone to help with some of the harsh weather when you're flying at very sunny conditions. This combo comes with extra propellers, and if you need to replace your propellers, this drone is flown by this N1 controller where you hook up your phone. I am able to hook up a S22 Ultra with the case comfortably, and you control it this way. Also, the Flymore combo comes with 2 additional batteries, and this is the charging hub for the Mavic Air 2. I went ahead and got a car adapter to go with this so I can charge my batteries on the go, because these batteries get you about 30 to 35 minutes of flight time depending on the flight conditions. The image sensor is a half inch. It does have about 8 gigs of internal storage, but I would always recommend getting the SD card that's recommended for this drone. And the max flight distance on this drone is about 18 and a half kilometers. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for a simple drone, I would recommend the Mavic Air 2 if you want a step up from the mini drones. Another reason I like this drone is I'm more comfortable flying something of this weight than I am of my mini drone.